No matter which award recipient we are talking about, all have common traits. They are recognized as people who go above and beyond. They are considered ambassadors for the real estate profession. They are known for giving back and taking good care of their clients. Adjectives that describe each of our recipients include responsive, enthusiastic, delightful, and passionate. Please join me in congratulating the 2020 Good Neighbor, Louise Lovewell. Please join me in congratulating Leah Nishi with Farmers Insurance as our 2020 Affiliate of the Year. Please help me in congratulating June Burkhart of the Legacy Real Estate and Associates as our 2020 Realtor of the Year. Please help me in congratulating the 2020 Bay East Outstanding Leader, Jennifer Bancini.
The dedication and self-sacrifice demonstrated by past President Nancy Allen, President-elect Sheila Cunha, and Treasurer Steve Medeiros is unmatched. As a team whose leadership helped the association navigate all the challenges 2020 presented due to the global pandemic, Nancy, Sheila, and Steve have been given the John A. Diedrich Distinguished Service Award. This award recognizes members who have contributed their skills promoting Bay East goals throughout the year.
Congratulations to all these incredible Bay East members. You are awesome.